Welcome to the latest trends in education. And today we're diving into the heart of student-centered learning, SCL, with a focus on feedback-centric learning. Understanding feedback-centric learning. Feedback-centric learning is at the core of SCL. It's a transformative approach that emphasizes timely and constructive feedback as a cornerstone of student success. The role of timely feedback. Timely feedback is the key to keeping students on track. It helps them understand where they stand in their learning journey. Providing constructive feedback. Constructive feedback is not just about pointing out mistakes, it's about guiding students on what steps they need to take to improve. Teachers' role in feedback. Teachers play a crucial role in providing feedback. They observe, assess, and offer insights to help students grow. Self-assessment contribution. But feedback-centric learning goes beyond teacher input. Self-assessment is a vital component. It encourages students to evaluate their own work critically. The power of self-reflection. Self-reflection allows students to identify their strengths and areas for improvement. It's a skill that serves them well beyond the classroom. Peer assessment. Peer assessment is another dimension of feedback-centric learning. It encourages students to learn from one another. Learning from peers. When students assess their peers' work, it deepens their understanding of the subject matter and improves their ability to provide constructive feedback. Promoting a growth mindset. Feedback-centric learning promotes a growth mindset, where students view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than as obstacles. Fostering independence. As students learn to assess their own work and provide feedback to peers, they become more independent learners, ready to tackle future challenges. Creating a feedback loop. A feedback loop is established where students receive guidance, apply it, and continually improve. This is the essence of SCL. Conclusion. In conclusion, feedback-centric learning is about empowering students to take charge of their learning. It's a dynamic process where feedback serves as the compass, guiding them towards success. Closing. Thank you for joining me today on latest trends in education. /stay tuned for more insights into the ever-evolving world of education.